move and the relocation of Marines to Guam, the governor and I created the Civilian Military Task Force. This task force brought 200 subject matter experts into 11 subcommittees to discuss and look at the needs of Guam in the full spectrum of quality of life issues that are going to affect our people in the future. But their task was also to say this to the military, that the military buildup could not be a burden to our people, and the people of Guam could not face this burden alone. 2, that the infrastructure and the needs of our people outside the fence line would have to be better. 3, that we had to protect our culture and our environment. And 4, that there would be no taking of land outside the footprint of the military, and there would be no condemnation of land outside of that. Commenting over 10,000 comments in the draft EIS. In fact, I myself submitted comments on the need to protect our environment and our culture. We have now worked with the military so that they have now allowed for a longer time for the buildup, have allowed for us to be involved with the steps that are going to be taken over the period so that our capacity and our infrastructure would not be overwhelmed.
To reply to the question.
Big major difference. We are going to be partners, not subjects to the military. It was in the Civilian Military Task Force, in there, of course, chaired by my opponent, where the recommendation came, again, out of the, we heard this from General Jackson, the recommendation for pocket came from this administration. It's important you have one master. You got to have your master, and that's the people of Guam. But with that being said, in our administration, we understand that the military is members of this community. We are going to work with them. We're going to partner with them. That's why we have to realize we have thousands of veterans here. That is why I increased funding for the veteran cemetery. That is why I introduced a bill that would build a homeless center for veterans in Georgia. And that is why we're pushing with the federal authorities to bring a Veterans Affairs office here to Guam, rather than waiting weeks and weeks for processing in Honolulu. We got to remember that our military, our veterans